Hello everybody, welcome to my channel and welcome to a brand new episode on how you can promote affiliate products using Facebook ad. So in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you folks how you can promote affiliate products on Facebook and also make money online and also earn subscribers online. So you either promote advertisers offer through free or paid ad. So if you want to generate sale and lead, you need to promote your product using Facebook ad. That will enable you generate sale more, more and you can generate lead more using this Facebook ad. So as you can see, this is one of the offer that I promoted using Facebook ad. So it will enable my product to reach more people online. So let me show you the products that I promote using Facebook ad. So any person that make a purchase through me, I can earn up to $100. So as you can see, all these people are the people that uh, like my page. So all these people are the people that like my uh, product that I promote on this Facebook using Facebook ad. So let me show you the products that I promote using Facebook ad. Let me show you. So this is the product auto profit site. This is the product that I promote using Facebook ad. I spend 2,000 naira for promoting this product. As you can see, I boosted it on August. And let me show you the details of it. 279 people like this product that I share. So when promoting your product, you need to specify uh, your audience, whether your audience should be men or women, and you select the niche that you want your product to reach. Is it affiliate marketing? Is it digital marketing? Without selecting the niche that you want your product to reach, you either not generate sale or you people can be in touch with your products. So you need to specify the niche that you want to reach and the country that. So as you can see, let me show you my audience. So as you can see, we should see my ad. The location that I select to reach this ad to United States, India, Dubai. So all these are the location that target to reach. So and the age that I select is 25 to 50 age, and the interest is eBay cash coupon sales, digital marketing, shopping marketing, online shopping brand, online advertising, affiliate marketing, organic product. So these are the interests, that is the niche that I want to reach. So without selecting the niche, the interest that you want to target, you either not generate sale or people can engage on your products at all. So you have to be careful on these things. So in the process, you will get people to buy your product online, and here you see the people that you reach. I reach 643 people and I spent 472. The engagement that I have for this post is 219. So and the balance that I have for this post, because I posted this post to reach 4 days, and the balance I have for this post is 1,527 naira. So as you can see, you need to pay to promote your products online so that you reach more sales and leads, either on Facebook or Twitter or Google Ads or YouTube. So these are the people that like my my products, 280 people that like my products. So as you can see, if you are to promote products, you need to put the picture of the product and the details about the product, the benefits about the product, what person can benefit from the product. So as you can see, it's pretty much easy using Facebook ad to promote your products, and you need to have a Facebook page for you to promote your products online. So as you can see, it's pretty much easy promoting your products and generating a sale on Facebook using Facebook ad. So do like and subscribe to my channel so that you'll be notified about my upcoming videos. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe so that you'll be notified about my upcoming videos. Till we see in my next video, and goodbye.